classic beef lasagna. Let's start to prepare. Chop the veggies nicely. Onion, leeks, celery, carrot, garlic. Meats are ready. Heat the pot. Put some veggie oil, olive oil. Some add bay leaves. Put all the veggies. Saute nicely. Beef lasagna. It's typically made by cooking ground beef. Onion, carrots, leeks, celery, some herbs, oregano, basil, some tomato paste. Add ground beef. Cook nicely. Manage the heat, medium flame. The flavor lasagna, rich and savory with a silently sweet and tangy taste. From the tomato, the texture usually thick and meaty, coating the pasta nicely. I usually use to some crushed tomato, or you can use to the peeled tomato also. Salt to taste. White pepper. Mix it nicely. Look at the color. Meat so good. It's the main events. The juicy, texture, tender, delicious. Nice giving flavor. Look at the color. It's almost done. I feel it smell. Whoa, it's very good. Add some fresh thyme, oregano. Mix it. Ground beef is ready. Now we start to make bechamel sauce. I make roux first. Butter melt. Put some plain flour. Whisk nicely. Slow fire. Look at the color. Put the milk continually. Slowly. Make sure your fire is medium. And continually whisk. Nicely. Look at the fluffy and shining. It's done now. Salt to taste. White pepper, nutmeg powder. Mix it well. Done. Now start to make the lasagna. First layer bechamel sauce. Second layer pasta. Third layer ground beef. I usually make the lasagna always 3 to 4 layer. It's perfect and looks good. If you make the lasagna, you soak the pasta sheet first warm water 10 to 15 minutes so it's soft and cook very fast, not taking the longer time to cook the lasagna. You can follow my recipe and you can make the perfect lasagna. Look at the every step how I am preparing. Pasta sheet, bechamel sauce, ground beef. Always every layer is the same quantity and the same procedure until top layer to finished. Last final top. Every layer pasta sheet, bechamel sauce. Put nicely to cover all the ground beef. Cover to baking foil and aluminum foil on 160 degree 35 minutes. It's perfect cooking. When cooks done to lasagna, then keep resting to cool down 5 to 6 hours. So last finishing, put top of the shredded mozzarella and bake the oven 3 to 4 minutes to melting the cheese. Look at the color. Wow. Serve with some wild rocket, onion pickles, parmesan cheese. Thanks for watching video. Follow me for more recipe.